They're releasing.
Jung is gonna start up the system again. So I'm gonna look at it. Oh, okay. We have the screen, the Mac screen as always. The Mac screens.
Max screen? What the hell?
I call it the Mac screen. It's like the
This is a
open.
good sign.
Okay, at least it's booting up. It's booting up.
At least it's not beeping.
Yeah.
Well, what's up with the VPN?
It's like the hardware. If
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Ah.
The BIOS is like.
I'm not.
You put the hardware wrong.
Oh, the Mac. Oh.
No, Michael. No.
No. Seriously. No.
This was actually a basic configuration of Mac, and it has actually 4 GB RAM. Originally, if this is installed properly, it will show 6 GB now.
Yeah, that is true. Cause he added another module, 2 gigabytes. But that was a Samsung one, I guess. The Samsung RAM module.
Which you took out from your laptop.
Yeah, my laptop. I actually upgraded one to 4 gigabytes. Before it came with
Wait,
1 gigabyte.
where's the second module? Oh, Hector.
Hector took it. He said he wanted it.
He gave it to some random person on the street
Exactly.
who got very happy after he got there.
You know why? Because I think there's gold-plated stuff on there. You can get some down.
Yeah, sure you can, man.
It's like nothing, but that's nothing. That's all nothing.
Yeah, that is nothing.
Very quiet.
So whose laptop is that? That's Ho Jung's.
Actually, they're parallelly connected. Why?
And that's Tarang's laptop.
Why?
Who?
They're parallel batteries. They're not serially connected. They're parallelly connected.
Oh,
No idea.
Ho Jung.
But parallel
The
connection
fate.
implies that they will have equal voltage on both the lines. No, it won't but it distributes the current. It does it, so the voltage will be same. That could be the goal. Okay, so this is the moment of truth.
Well.
You at least focus it. It's not focused.
How do you focus?
It is quick.
Oh,
See?
nice. So looking at this, we have. Let's focus this. So we have 6 gigabyte of 1333 megahertz DDR3
Yeah, even
on
though
the system.
33 isn't much, but it's fine.
Well, it's fine. It's better than the 4 gigs. So our video for this week is this.
For this hour.
Yeah, there you go. You got. I'll do the editing later.